Day 2. NC500. Didn't start off at the hotel for a reason. Beautiful countryside. You are? Little squirrel, there's nature everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at it. Look at it behind me. Today is the driest day and it's raining, so we're going to do Skye. So what I'll do is I'm going to go and get some fuel, put you on the front of the chin. Let's get some roads eaten up today. Catch you again soon. Oh no, you think you meant the first one, the one where we filled up that, where we got the snacks last night, where we went, oh, a mile? Oh no, we'll be alright, I'll just carry you.
You know, it's gone down a penny. 129.9 is 130.9.
It's because it was raining. So yeah, your old man will be really tricky stuff.
Oh, he'd been dead by now. He'd been dead on the road. I'm going, come on, any minute. I know, but the other one, we do this one will say, oh, just 5 miles. You sure? Come on, Craig. Just pulled over for a spot of lunch, haven't we, Ross?
Yes. Gonna have some chips now and sit by the seaside and be attacked by the seagulls.
Yeah. You can see him out there, look, already waiting for us. It's Isle of Skye. Aaron was spot on with the weather.
Certainly was.
Weather's nice in Skye apparently. Scotland, raining. As you probably saw on some of the other videos, it got absolutely drenched. So gears soaked again, but hopefully in this lovely sun, all dry up. See if I can zoom in down there. See all the crab shells, you seen these, Ross? Crabs, empty crabs, where the seagulls been pecking. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. I'm just sorry the other camera doesn't work, otherwise we'd have got some lovely footage and audio of me chatting absolute rubbish along the way. but you're not here for that. You're not here for me waffle on, are you? You're here to see the roads. So these here. Let me take you, show you this. Top of the world. Top of the world. Well, that's somewhere over there, right far in the distance. Someone's getting wed. Up here. Can you believe it? Can you actually believe it? What a view. What a view.
What's it, right? Oh, you do look proud.
Aaron, get up there, mate. Take one up there.
Take one up. For me and Aaron. And Aaron said I could tell you he's rubber. Yeah. Is that the one?
Yeah. Look at ours, miles so closer. Hey, keep backing off, lads, keep backing off. Have I zoomed in?
Back home. This is where we're staying.
How many batteries you got through, Tom?
This is second battery. It's not bad. Yeah, so this one's called Lundy View. A lovely seating area out there. A couple of lads said they saw stags yesterday across, so we'll have an interesting walk out there later on. But tonight we've got a whiskey tasting night. Now, I love a whiskey. And then what we've also got is we've got a nice meal cooked for us. So, right, I'm going to go and get myself a shower because I'm sure I absolutely stink.
No.
And then may pick you up later. If not, we'll catch you tomorrow for day 3. Good ride today, good ride. Skye, absolutely beautiful, loved it.